Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the new Avenger 26 BBS. They've made some kind of nice tweaks for 2021, especially in the decor department. So we'll start on the outside here. I'll show you a couple things and we'll head inside. So first you can see kind of nice new look for Avenger this year. New kind of gray tin contrasting with a bit of the blue in the decals. Okay, so you got a nice big power awning, outside speakers that are Bluetooth. You even got a little bottle opener right by the door there. Extended grab handle. You got the solid stance steps, which is really nice to see at this price point. Those just flip right into the unit, super slick. Round back here, you do have the little doggy leash ring. And then right here, outside shower. And then you got your backup camera prep at the back as well. Okay, the awning is of course power, LED lit. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. This is a great floor plan if you don't really want to go over 30 feet and still get yourself the couch, double bunks, and a big U-shaped dinette slide. This is really one of the only ways to do it actually. So you'll notice right away, tons of seating. There is storage underneath the whole thing. You got the nice big window. If you wanted to kind of do a little bit of an entertainment center right here, this is where your Bluetooth deck is. You got stereo sound. There is a backer here for a TV with your outlets. You can plug it into the TV and then do movies off a USB stick and that kind of stuff. Ducted air conditioning, standard in all the Avengers, tandem axle Avengers. You got the 12 volt, 10 cubic foot fridge. So nice big fridge. This does run off of your battery, so you just have to plan accordingly. So if you're going to be at a powered site, you have no issue. But otherwise you get this extra space, which is really nice to have. If you're gonna be dry camping, I'd consider a solar panel on the roof, and that'll power the fridge indefinitely. Kitchen counter space, so you got the seamless countertops, so those will last you a long time. Stainless steel sink with the little drain rack. You got the gray stone oven, glass front, little pots and pans drawer underneath, a couple cabinets above, and then we'll kind of just toggle the back here. So you got your vanity on the outside of the washroom, which is nice if you have a couple kids. You know, one of the kids can be using the washroom or taking a shower or whatever, while somebody else can still wash up out here, brush their teeth, that kind of stuff. And then you have your nice big oversized bunks here. 250 pound capacity, so you can definitely fit some kids up there. USB ports on either one. There is an AC duct back here as well, so that'll keep them nice and cool. And then that'll lead into your kind of main washroom there, your toilet and shower. Got the skylight above, so lots of room. Coming back around this way, you do have your fold out sofa, so this is extra sleeping if you need it. You got a couple more cabinets up here, and then that'll take you into the master bedroom. So you got your queen size bed, closets on either side, okay? Lots of storage. The bed will lift up as well. You got nightstands on either side, USB ports, windows on either side as well, which is nice to have. You can get a nice cross breeze in here. And then you got the sliding wood door to give you some privacy, and that just latches into place. You got your TV backer if you wanted to install a TV with your hookups, and then you got everything you need. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. This is the Avenger 26 BBS. I'll catch you next time.